Hello, just a quick video on how you get your information from the Department for Work and Pensions, which includes organisations such as the Child Maintenance Service. It's really easy. All you do is follow the link beneath this video or Google DWP space SAR. Now, what is an SAR? An SAR is a subject access request. It's what you send to these organisations, and within 30 days they have to send you your information. So if you're wondering how they've calculated it, your payments, if you're wondering how they've made the decision, if you're wondering just simply what information they've got about you, all you do, DWP space SAR on Google or follow the link below, and that will take you to the application form. Fill in the form, give your name, address, all the details they ask for, and within 30 days you will get your information. And from there you can do whatever you like with it, but most people read through it and identify where there may be mistakes. Okay, so really easy. Go for it.